Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics you might skip. Make sure your Prime membership is active and that the Amazon account you use for Prime is the same one linked to Twitch. Once done, verify the account region settings match because mismatched regions block offers. Next, confirm a valid payment method is on file and that the email addresses align. These checks remove the most common activation blockers before you try deeper fixes. Now move into execution. Go to Prime Gaming, locate the specific offer, and click Claim. This triggers authorization. Make sure you authorize Twitch and any required third-party game integrations such as Steam, Epic, or publisher accounts. If the claim hangs or shows an error, unlink Twitch from Amazon and relink it, then reattempt claiming. Also check the game's account settings for linked platforms and enable the connection so the in-game entitlement can route correctly. Finish by restarting the game client and any launchers, then relaunch and check your in-game inventory or redemption page. Sometimes the entitlement only appears after a restart. Verify claim history on Prime Gaming to confirm success. If items still aren't visible, clear browser cache or use an incognito window or try claiming from another device. This often forces fresh authorization. If problems persist, gather order ID and screenshots, then contact Amazon Prime Gaming Support for entitlement review.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.